Hey guys, so one more update here about my MacBook Pro 16. So I've had these issues for the last few months where the computer just really locks up like this. So you guys see right here, the mouse right here, the cursor spinning. So this is just my lock screen, but it's completely frozen. And then even bigger than that is the computer itself the fan is really loud. And the bottom of the computer is extremely hot. I'd actually say that the problem has gotten a lot worse during the past few months. So I actually chatted with Apple about this for about an hour. So they said that it's a memory issue, and they had me do a bunch of stuff. So they had me like disable some programs that start on startup and stuff like that. But I knew when doing it that it wouldn't actually make a difference because it was only like less than a gigabyte of RAM, and this computer has like 16 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, I knew it was not going to matter. But anyways, I followed the instructions, and this is what happens pretty much every time I just try to load it up, just try to log onto the computer. So it's definitely, in my opinion, it's definitely not a software issue. It's some type of a hardware issue. So yeah, my next step, I'm gonna bring it to Apple. I'm gonna basically complain about it, say it's definitely broken. They're probably gonna run it for their diagnostics. They're probably going to, uh, say nothing's wrong with it, but clearly something is definitely wrong. So I'm just gonna try to get it replaced completely. And yeah, if you guys have the same issue, then I'll definitely recommend it. But for now, I'm just going to turn this off by holding down right here. Okay, so I have an update coming soon.